Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi driver issues on Windows 11 quickly and step by step. This problem usually causes no internet access, missing networks, or frequent disconnections. First, restart your computer and check if the Wi-Fi comes back normally. Next, press Windows key plus X and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and find your Wi-Fi adapter, then right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. If that doesn't work, right-click again and choose Uninstall Device, then restart your PC so Windows reinstalls the driver automatically. If the adapter is missing, click View and select Show Hidden Devices. You can also download the latest driver manually from your laptop or motherboard official website, install it, and restart your computer. Now open Settings, then go to Network and Internet and click Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset to reinstall all network adapters and reset configurations. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and enter the password again. Your connection should now be stable and working properly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.